always remember to protect yourself. You can tell the difference by smelling it. More. See what's happening.
Bubble.
So it's gas. 是酸和碱反应，这个反应里面，我们生成的气体是二氧化碳。
This is vinegar.
Yes. Wow, 好神奇哦。
So the oil has lower density, water has higher density. So when you have a drop of water in the oil, where does it go?
哇，好漂亮！